In a stunning affront to constitutional governance, President Emmerson Mnangagwa has discredited his own presidency by unlawfully transferring the commander of the Zimbabwe National Army, Lieutenant General Anselm Namusanyatwe, to a ministerial post in clear violation of the Constitution of Zimbabwe and established military protocol. Sanapinda mashoko vanhu kuona kuti aiwa the ruling party panguva ino haisi kutya nekuvhuna mutemo, and now people vakutya kuti anytime vanhu vanogona kuitiwa zvisizvo just because they know these guys they don't fear violating of the constitution. Subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa mZimbabwe danyora chiti on 25 March 2025 the office of the president announced that Sanyatwe has been retired from the Zimbabwe Defense Forces and spontaneously appointed Minister of Sport, Recreation, Arts and Culture. However, legal analysts and senior military insiders have described the move as not only premature but outright illegal. According to the Section 216 of the Constitution, the President's command over the defense forces must be exercised in accordance with the Constitution and the law. The law referred to here includes Defense Act, Chapter 1102, which provides the legal framework for retiring or transferring military officers. Crucially, it mandates a formal process including notification of Parliament and confirmation of a handover, neither of which occurred. Sources in Parliament confirmed that no notice of Sanyatwe's retirement has been received by either the Speaker of the National Assembly or the Clerk of Parliament by 27 March 2025. In addition, no successor has been named, meaning that by operation of law, Sanyatwe remains the lawful commander of the Zimbabwe National Army. Panapa juggling and jiggling irunyasi kuonekwa kunzi mitemo iri kungojambiwa zvinhu zviri kuexecutwa zvichifamba zvichienda mberi, but according kune maprocedures chaicho muparliament maclerks pamwe nemaspeakers havatomborina kana maletters kana any formalities they have received. Varikuona zvinhu zvingoitika zvatikuda kuti vari kubypassiwa maprocesses. Tudze mafunguro muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kana comment section medu, subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.